Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to participate in CATLY.io airdrop where you will claim 500 CATLY token. But before we dive into details and checking more about this platform, welcome to my YouTube channel, Ojo Billionaire Academy. On this channel I talk about how to make money online, how to claim free cryptocurrency, and how to earn airdrop. If you are interested in any of this topic I just mentioned, you should go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also click the notification bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload videos like this. Also don't forget to like and share this video so that you can reach as many as those who are looking for means to make money for themselves. By so doing, you are saving life and you are helping the world become a better place. So if you don't know that, let's dive into the details of today's video. So CATLY.ai, they are doing an airdrop where they are giving out 500 CATLY token to every participant. Now after signing up, you will receive this token where first of all you need to stake it and then make more. But before then, let's just see, let's just read through and see. Let's create a 100x mimic coin together. Many mimic tokens skyrocket by 10 of thousands of times. CATLY is a new mimic token and now is the best time to hold onto it. Don't miss out on CATLY like you did with Doge and Shiba. Okay guys, I know someone who have been able to withdraw about $100 and something just by participating in this airdrop alone. So guys, you should go ahead and sign up immediately and join this airdrop. As you can see, they are saying they are listed after 70% sold target exchange: Pancake, Bitforest, Hobby, Gate, KuCoin, OKX, Bybit, Biconomia, and so many other platforms. Their security. So guys, how do you sign up on this platform? So I'll be dropping the link to this platform down the description, or I'll drop in the link down the pinned comment of this video, and also on the Telegram channel. All you just need to do is to click the link. Upon clicking the link, it will take you to an interface that looks just like this. All you need to do is to input your email address here, your valid email address. Also you input your password. You confirm your password here. You input this catchy, which is this code here. You have to input it. You just leave this code right here because this is my referral code. You leave it right there and you click create account. Upon successfully doing that, it will bring you to this interface that looks just like this. Now what you need to do is to go ahead and click claim right here. Claim 500 CATLY token. Self-claim airdrop is now live. Claim your airdrop now. So for you to claim, for Binance users only, so Binance verification, so only Binance users can claim this CATLY airdrop. Submit your Binance deposit address. We will send you a random bonus and you need to submit the received amounts for verification. Okay, so guys, I think we need to use our Binance BEP20 USD BEP20 deposit address. That's what we need to use. Let me quickly go to my Binance app and copy that. Guys, I'm in my Binance account right now, so I'll just go ahead and copy my USDT BEP20 wallet. I've clicked the network. This is it. I'll just do copy. Upon successfully copying it, I will go back to the platform and I'll paste it here. And click continue. Let's try other method. Okay, so I clicked another method. So we are asked to send 0.001 USDT to this account right here. Just like I told you, this airdrop is for only Binance users and they are trying to verify and be sure that you are a legit Binance user, not that you just went to copy any USDT BEP20 address anywhere. So we are asked to send any amount of crypto to this Binance Pay ID. So that is what we'll do. So let's just copy it. So I've copied the ID. Now after successfully doing that, they say we should submit our other ID and address. So this is where we'll put the payment ID. So let's go and make payment. Binance Pay. Let's go and send some money to it from our Binance app. So we are right here on my Binance app. If you're on the home page of your Binance app, all you just need to do is quickly just search for pay. you see the pay right there, you click pay, then you go ahead and do send, and you move to pay ID, then you paste the ID that has been given to you, you click continue. Then we just need to send any amount of USDT. So basically, let's just add 0.1. You don't necessarily need to send 1 USDT, so let's just add 0.1. That's 10 cents that we are sending there. We are sending out 10 cents. Okay, that's correct, everything. So you click confirm. So the payment is processing. So I've just been verified. Boom, that has been sent. So you click done. So how do we get our payment order? Let me click. After making your payment from the Binance Pay, you come right here, which is your history, your transaction history. You click here and you see your order ID here. You copy it and you take it to the platform right here, and you paste it and you click claim. Now it has been claimed. Stake history, airdrop. So automatically, when you claim it, the CATLY token will automatically be staked right here. So this is it. It has been staked. So we'll be mining this. It will be giving us reward daily. Daily reward is about 3% of the 500 that has been staked. So guys, that is it. Also, let's see there are 10 level of commission. You earn 3.5% on the first level, 1.8 on your second level, 1.6 your third level, 1.4 fourth level, 1.25 fifth level, 1% sixth level, 0.8 seventh level, 0.4 eighth level, 0.2 9th level, and 0.1 on your 10th level. Calculate your income, numbers of new users invited by you. You got 5, or let me say 10. How many friends they lead? 10. It's okay, you can basically calculate, but it didn't show us the results. Anyway, that's just it. So it is said that your first level you can earn up to $3.5, $3.5, and your second level, first level is only 10 people you can refer on your first level. Oh, that's good. Second level you can get this. Oh. So it means it's only 10 people that can actually use my link to sign up. So the earlier you do that, the better. So it's just 10 people I can get, and you also go to refer your own. So let's see other place. There is Lotto right here. What's the Lotto all about? I think you need to key in for draws, right? Those that are good with Lottos or those betting. So that is it. Probably fair. Welcome to Hash Digit Jackpot. That's that for the Lotto. So also there is a me icon here. Verify your Binance. I think we've done that. I think we've done the verification of our Binance notification. Let's check. Is there any coupon? The only coupon is the 500 we've claimed. Join the Telegram group. The token. This is it, guys. They also have an NFT right here, but I think it's coming out soon. Oh, it's already out. There's an NFT market right here where you can either buy or upcoming. Okay, they are all upcoming. You can start bidding for them, I guess. That is why it's here. So this is it, guys. This is how to participate in this airdrop and start making money for yourself. I actually saw someone who has withdrew about $66 from this platform. So that's it. That is it, guys. So I think that will be all for now. Just go ahead and read through for yourself, but don't forget to join the Telegram channel so that you also get first-hand information. Thank you, and that will be all. Goodbye.